What exactly is a method? Well, we've actually already been using one. Main is an example of a method. And all the same rules that we've been talking about with syntax and the different constructs you can use, such as for loops and collections and variables and all that stuff still applies to methods that are not main. When we declare a method, we have to do so within a class, just like we have to have main inside of a class. Again, what's a class? We'll talk about that in week 6. And it follows a very particular format of how we have to write our code that will look very familiar to what we see here on line 5. The first thing that we'll have to always use until we say otherwise is the keyword static. And the keyword static is something, again, we will be talking about in week 6. Unfortunately, a lot of what we talk about with methods sort of infringes on stuff that is better suited to be talked about in a dedicated class. So we'll skip static for now.